I'm back. So one of the last things I'm going to do, besides from cleaning up all the mess in here, is I want to hang my tools. So I used a Hilti gun and I nailed up these boards. It's going to be fine. It's not like store-bought, high-end or anything, but it's fine enough for me. I stained those boards to match the top here, so I like it. That's all that matters. And I picked up some of these little guys. And these are little clips that slip on to your drill, and they hold your drill up on the wall. You just screw that in. You can slide your drill in there, and everything's nice and organized. I also got them for the battery, so the battery can mount on the wall. So I have a lot of batteries, so I'm going to have nice, everything nice and organized. I'm going to have my chargers out and ready to go. Everything will be hanging out. It's going to look good. So I'm going to knock that out now. All right, guys, you can see how it's going to start to organize everything. So I can't find one of my batteries. I'm sure it's somewhere, but I have 10 batteries, so I have 10 hangers. It's going to keep everything nice and organized. I am going to hang chargers on the wall as well, but right now I know where every battery is. I like to write a date on my battery just so I know when I got it. That way, when it gets old and tired or expired, there is a warranty on batteries from Ridgid if you register it, which I am very slack about doing. So this will help me get organized and help me keep things registered in the future. Okay, there's a couple things that I noticed were an issue with the hangers for the tools. So it's a really awesome concept. As a matter of fact, I told my brother about him a couple months ago, and he jumped on him, got him right away, and he loves them. But here's what I've noticed that I don't like about them. There are certain tools that you can't hang up because maybe you have, like this, maybe you have a belt hook that you're going to put on your belt. Let's see if I can see how that sticks down like that. So I've come up with a solution. We're going to take a 2x4 and we're going to cut it and place it behind the mount, which will pull it away from the wall so I can hook the tool on it. Very cool, and I understand why they did this. I mean, not everybody's going to have those hooks on there. I like it because I'm always up on a ladder or doing something, and it doesn't make a lot of sense to waste a lot of plastic to pull it away. I do wish it was thicker. I don't know how much more plastic it would have cost to do it. I'm sure this is an injected molded piece, but it's a great idea. And I don't care, even though I'm gonna have to build it out away from the wall. Still a great idea, still gonna use it, still gonna give it 5 stars, 2 thumbs up, whatever you wanna say. Really, really good. I'm gonna make sure to put the link in the description and also in this video, just so y'all can take a look at it and check it out. It's not just with Ridgid tools, by the way. I mean, it's with DeWalt, Milwaukee, any brand that you can think of. This company makes them. So, yeah, I like it. I'm excited about it. I got a lot of Ridgid tools, so it's going to help me get organized, like I said. So, if I ever switch out and don't use Ridgid, which I hope doesn't happen, I'm going to have to switch these out too. So, anyway. Okay, we've chopped up our blocks for spacers. I'm going to get started on trying to arrange this. Each tool hangs a little differently. I think I'm going to do drills and drivers kind of on the lower level. And then I'll figure out the rest from there. So you can see how we got it set up now. All the batteries on the bottom. I actually hung some chargers. My heavier stuff, that are kind of the awkward stuff, will be up top. I've got a little rigid blower that's going to go up there. Actually, I'll probably have to put the rigid blower over a little bit. So we'll probably have to get a special hook or some sort of little hanger platform I can set this circular saw on. It's just kind of impossible to hang this thing because of the bottom plate. Anyway, so I'm pretty pleased with it. It looks good. It's nice and organized. I finally got my countertops clean. The wrap up for this is just going to be getting all the other stuff put away. So anyway.